What's happening? Poke Dog got you. Back with another video, you understand me? Yeah.
I do want some kids, my auntie named Pearl, my mom named Liz. You playing my auntie, I'm playing my mama, I'm splitting your wig. I'm paranoid, when I get hot, it don't make no sense. It is what it is, it is what it is. Hey, bitches be blowing my high, sometimes I want me a cig. I barely watch football, somebody had told me that shit be red. I'm fucking your baby mama, I ain't cook for her like I'm the fizz. It is what it is, it is what it is. Hey, it is what it is.
Yeah, right now I got the top done on both of the back. Or you know, the 392 and the Scatpack with the garage junkies here. We moving. The process moving on. Come out. Yeah, but yeah. So far I got that done, the top done. Now I'm finna put the bottom piece on, and I'm gonna get back. My daughter done failed. But yeah, I'm finna put the bottom piece on the SRT with the other line, and I'm gonna show y'all once it's done. This is what happens when you don't pay attention. I kind of put the words backwards, man. This shit finna say 392 Pat Scat. God damn, man. I'm glad it's just one tie, dog. But god damn, that fucked up a lot, dog. Listen, man. Pay attention when you're doing these things, man. Pay attention, dog. Yeah, they're finna say 392 Pat Scat. Yeah, but they almost done, man. I got one more tie to do. I'm gonna get back with y'all, dog. Yeah, I just finished up, man. Got them looking good, dog. But what I did, for the one that I did mess up, that said 392 Pat, instead of putting the Scat at the end, I just kept it at 392 Pat. You know what I'm talking about? So they know what time it is. Yo, they looking good, though. You know what I'm talking about? Let them things dry. But I'm show you the one that I did right, though. Yeah. Let it sit for about a good hour. No, I'm talking about an hour or two before I got to go back to work, dog. And one thing about it, man, putting these bitches on, they ain't a hassle, really, man. You just got to know what you're doing. Every time I put them on, I had a little tie shine still on, so it didn't stick right, but it stayed. I had to re-glue it, but you know, sooner or while it stayed, though. But yeah, man, boss lady looking good with these new tie letters, man. I told y'all, what? Once you take these tie letters off, man, get you some new tires, dog, you're gonna wanna get you some more tie letters. I'm telling you, dog, the color is different, man, without them, dog. And it's easy to keep them clean. It's easy to keep them clean, especially if you don't daily your shit, dog. I daily mine, but yeah, use a little acetone, the same thing you use to clean the car with. I mean, clean your tie with, dog. Same thing you do to clean the letters with. Yeah, man, but when she dry up and I get ready to pull out, I'm gonna show you what she looking like, man. She dirty though, but I'm gonna still show y'all, man. I should have washed her up before I did all this, but man, I ain't got no patience sometimes, dog. But that's what patience gets you, man. On the other side of my car, that shit say 392 Pat. That's what not having patience gets you, man. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. Yeah, y'all see them new tie letters, man. They came out good. Yeah, they came out good. Got boss lady looking good, dog. Tie letter got boss lady looking good. Yeah, man, them tie letters got boss lady looking good, dog. But yeah, that was just a little short video, man, because you know I ain't want y'all to see me on IG and like, well, he done got tie letters and he ain't, you know, posted, man. Yeah. Yeah. So I did that for y'all though. But yeah, man, if y'all actually really want to know the process of it, dog, I show y'all. But that'll be hard trying to hold the camera and do this but I don't know. But I'll show y'all how to do it if that's what y'all really want to know how to do and keep it clean, dog. Yeah, make sure y'all hit that like button, comment, subscribe, browse. You know what I'm talking about? Turn on your notifications, dog. It's going down this year, man. 2022, man. We holding this bitch down, man. This how we rocking, dog. Yeah. Till next time, y'all be safe. Poke Dog got you.